Hi guys, so we have deliveries today. Ayan, may delivery na naman tayo. Ayan po. So, i-unboxing natin siya ngayon. Let's see what is inside guys. Excited na ba kayo? Ayan po. So, ayan guys. Buksan natin po anong meron sa loob guys. Ayan. Kailangan natin yata ng gunting. Saglit guys. Kuha tayo ng gunting. So guys, ito na yung gunting. Ayan natin kung anong meron sa loob. Gunting na natin. Ay, ano to? Para sa sa paa. Extension guys. Kita nyo? It's extension, nails extension guys. Gamitin natin to guys, no? And then, ano to? Flor Vida. Flor Vida guys. Oh, another nail extension guys. Nail extension. What is next? Ano to? Gel polish guys. It's a gel polish. Yehey, may gel polish tayo. Tignan natin. Buksan natin ito ako ng kulay guys. Top coat. Top coat guys. Sana makita nyo, no? Nakikita nyo ba? It's a top coat. Yan. May top coat tayo. Natin ko ng tsura ng top coat. Clear guys. Clear. So, ayan guys. Top coat po yung una. Tapos next. Ito yung next guys. Base coat. Next guys, top coat ulit. Dami namang top coat. UV LED polish. Top coat, base coat. Yung isa top coat. Ito, top coat matte. Okay. Pero UV LED polish siya guys. Ito yung makintab. Tapos, ito yung base coat, guys. Next, guys. Primer. Okay, ito yung ginagamit kapag bago mag-polish. Primer. Ito, Rainforce. Anong Rainforce, guys? Color coat. Polish UV light. Reinforce daw guys. Tapos ito, ano to? Tempered top coat. Yan na, hindi na natin alam kung ano mga yan. Tempered top coat. Paano gamitin to guys? Research natin to kung paano gamitin, no? Ayan. So next guys. Ano meron? Ano to? So, i-check natin kung ano ito guys, no? Buksan natin. Ayan, nail primer system. Nail primer. Using step, file of the nail surface, apply nail prep. Ayan, sige, ilagay ko na lang dyan, no? Sa side, yung picture kung paano gamitin to guys. So, ngayon, unboxing muna tayo. Ayan, meron tayo nito. Ang init, grabe. Nail primer. Dalawa na nail primer natin, guys. Ayan. Tapos, next, nail prep dehydrator. Ayan. po yung laman ng box natin. Sana makita nyo. So, ayan. Suto Kaka. So, next. Wow, meron din tayong lashes, guys. Ayan. Actually, ito po ay gift lang po sa akin. Hindi po natin binili, no? So, but this is not sponsor, guys. This is not collaboration also. So, meron po tayong 12mm tsaka 13mm 0.15, guys. Ayan. Tapos, meron din tayong pre-made lashes, guys. Pre-made lashes. Ayan. Like 8mm, 9mm, 10mm, 11. Check na natin to, guys, kung ano ito. Meron ding 12, 13, 14, 15. So, ganyan pang laman niya, guys. Ganyan. Kikita niyo ba, guys? Parang buhol-buhol naman. Yan, guys, oh. Malambot siya, in fairness, guys. Human hair. Ayan. So, last but not the least, guys, ayan. Gel nail polish, guys. Soak off, UV LED. Yan, pang UV din to, guys. So, tingnan natin kung ano to. Gel polish. Wow, ang dami. Ang galing naman. So, tingnan natin kung anong laman nito. One by one. Dami It's a gift. Thank you. Thank you sa sa birthday gift. Birthday gift, no? Wow. Ano kaya ito? Check na natin, guys, kung anong laman din nito. Kailangan. So, ayan, guys. Maybe you're asking if do I need to use a primer? Yes, because primer is a product for people who struggle with lifting and peeling. If you have no issues with your gel manicure lasting around 2 weeks, then you need to use a primer. Ayan, guys. Yun yung primer na pinakita natin kanina. Ayan, papakita ko ulit sa inyo dito mamaya. Kung ano yung primer. Yes, primer muna natin yan. Tapos, dehydrator first, then primer. Ayan, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang primer at dehydrator sa ating next vlog, guys. So, kailangan po kayo manood para malaman niyo po kung paano ang gamit ng dehydrator at ang primer. So, ayan po, no, madalas na katanungan po natin na nare-receive, how long should my gel manicure last? Yes, with proper prep, application, and aftercare, your manicure can last anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks, guys, and 2 to 3 weeks between your gel manicure. We recommended applying cuticle oil daily to help keep your nails hydrated, healthy, and going strong so that they're ready when you next want to have your gel polish. Yeah, yes, true, guys, kasi mabilis po tayong habaan ng kuko, 2 to 3 weeks, mahaba na po yung kuko natin. So, kung tinatanong nyo rin ako kung pwedeng patungan yung dating gel polish, ay hindi po pwede after 2 to 3 weeks. Kailangan po nating tanggalin yan. Pero kung gusto niyo po maging healthy, more healthier nails, you have to rest at least 1 week. And then apply again gel polish, guys. Para makaiwas po tayo ng breakage po ng nails. Para hindi po siya mag-yellow. At para po maging healthy pa rin ang nails po natin. Ayan, sana meron po kayo matutunan. And one thing more, questions that I already have received many times. Ayan, ito rin ang next questions kayo na nare-receive po natin, no? Why won't my gel polish cure? Ayan, there are two main reasons why your gel polish is not curing, guys. The main reason is that you have applied the gel too thick and the lamp hasn't been able to cure, guys. So ayan, kung makapal po ang ano pag-apply, mahirapan po talaga kayo magpa-dry po, guys. At saka minsan ang UV gel lamp nyo ay masyadong mahina kaya hindi siya kagad nag-cure. So madalas po ginagawa po natin 3 times po natin kinukure, guys, para mag-dry po siya. Ayan, i-check natin kung ano ito, guys. Kailangan din natin ulit ng gunting. So, kailangan ng gunting, guys. Check natin. Ang hirap. Okay, guys. Ayan na. Pero nakalagay dito na yung kulay, oh, guys. Pero check pa rin natin kung anong kulay yung nasa loob, no? Hirap, buksan. Ang ganda ng packaging nila. Galing, no? Tcharan! Color gel. Gel polish. Gel polish daw. Anong kulay nito? Violet. Violet, guys. Yeah, hindi, brown. Brown, guys. So, yan, nakikita nyo kung paano ko to gagamitin, guys. So, how many box do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 colors, guys. Plus, meron pa tayo sa taas ng 1, 2. So, ayan po ang laman ng ating box today, guys. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching our video for today. Ito, makikita nyo to. Gagamitin natin to. Turuan ko kayo paano gamitin yan. Kasama po itong mga nail extensions natin, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope we're gonna see you again in our next vlog. Thank you. Ayan. May bago tayong nail polish, guys. Thank you, thank you. See you again in our next vlog, guys. Bye.